Okay, so good day sa ating lahat. Bali, ang topic natin ngayon ay derivative of a product. Okay, for example, we have a product of U and B. Okay, ang derivative niya is equal to U dB over dx plus B du dx. Okay? Or pwede namang baliktarin yan since sum naman yan. Mas alasanay ko kasi actually yung yung baliktad. That is B du over dx plus U dB over dx. So pwede naman yan no kapag plus, di ba? Okay? Or yung ginagamit ng iba, yung mayroong prime which is a derivative of U U ng B, so B prime is equal to, okay, this is B U prime, okay, plus U B prime. Okay, in which yung pwede na natin baliktarin yan, U B prime plus B U prime. Okay, so pwede namang baliktad yan. In which yung paano kapag tatlo pala? U B tapos W. So derivative ng U B W is equal to U prime B W plus U B prime W plus U B and then W prime. Okay? So ganyan. Kung mapapansin, sila no, nagpapalit-palitan, no? Okay? So sa bawat term merong derivative. Yan. Nakikita niyo naman yung pattern. Yung kanina dito na ang naka-derivative dito ay naka-prime ay yung U, sunod dito ay B, sunod dito ay W yung naka-prime. Okay, in which where U prime is equal to du over dx and B prime is equal to dB over dx and W prime is equal to d derivative ng W with respect to x. Okay, so yan. Now let's have an example. Example number 1 for the derivative of a product. We have let y equals x square less 1 and then square root of 2x plus 1. Or pwede nating i-rewrite ito as x square less 1, x square less 1, and then 2x plus 1 raised to 1/2. Okay? So balik tayo dun sa derivative of a product. Ang derivative ng u times b with respect to x is equal to, or yung prime na lang, sige, yung prime, u derivative ng ub is equal to b u prime plus u b prime, no? Okay? In which ang u natin dyan ay ito, yung ating u. Okay? So x square less 1. Kunin natin yung u prime. Okay, that is equal to 2x plus 0, or that is equal to 2x. And then for b naman, ang b natin ay ito, no? Yan. So 2x plus 1 raised to 1/2. Okay, b prime. Okay, power formula, no? Dapat pala bago kayo pumunta ng derivative of a product and yung susunod ay yung derivative of quotient, dapat malaman nyo muna yung power rule, no? Derivative of a power. Okay, so kapag derivative of a power, yung exponent natin ibababa, di ba? Pupunta dito, magiging coefficient. Okay, and then ito yung term na yan, mababawasan ng exponent. Okay? So magiging 1/2 yan. 1/2 siya. Magma-minus tayo ng 1, which is ang 1 para siyang sa 2/2. At anyway, kung hindi nyo pa alam yung derivative of yung power rule, meron namang lecture video, no, na na-create para doon sa power rule. Okay, so yung b prime natin, ayusin lang natin, is equal to 1 over 2 and then 2x plus 1 raised to ups. May nawawala dito. Yung derivative pa pala nung nasa loob. So 2. Okay? 2. Kasi ang derivative ng 2x plus 1 is 2 plus 0. No? Okay, so magka-cancel pala to. I-resend lang natin. I-resend lang pala natin to. Magka-cancel pala to, no? Yung 2 dito. Tsaka yan. So mawawala siya. Magiging 1 over 2x plus 1 and then 1 half less 2 over 2 is oops, bakit nandito na sa baba to agad? Ilagay muna na natin sa taas. Yan. So this is, nag-cancel na yon. So magiging 2x plus 1 raised to negative 1 half. Or kung ayusin natin, magiging 1 over 2x plus 1 raised to 1 half. O, yan. So, kompleto na yung b, yung u prime natin, tsaka b prime natin. So, pwede na nating sundin to. Okay. So, ang derivative ng y is dy, syempre, no? So, dy over dx, or sabihin na lang natin y prime yan, is equal to b. Ang b natin ay 2x plus 1 raised to 1 half. Okay? And then, sunod is u prime. Ano ang u prime natin? 2x. Okay? Plus, sunod u. Sunod natin ay si u. Ang u natin ay x square less 1. Okay? Multiplied by b prime. Okay? Ang b prime natin ay ito. 1 over 2x plus 1 raised to 1 half. Okay? Yan. Sige. So, ayusin natin. Ayusin natin siya. Magiging y prime is equal to 2x and then 2x plus 1 raised to 1 half. Okay, plus x square less 1 all over 2x plus 1 raised to 1 half. Okay, ngayon, pwede naman nating i-simplify ito, di ba? Paano? Paano i-simplify yan? Okay, kunin natin yung common denominator. So, y prime is equal to, ano ba yung common denominator? 2x plus 1 raised to 1 half. Tapos yung isa ay 1. Yan. Kasi ang denominator natin dito ay 1. So, balikan lang natin yung ating algebra, no? Okay? So, ngayon, kung isi-simplify natin yan, ito ay magiging 2x multiplied by 2x plus 1 raised to 1 half. And then, multiply natin yung ito, yan. So, 2x plus 1 raised to 1 half. And then, ano yung sunod? Plus, no? Plus. So, plus, kulang pala to. Plus ng, ano yung andun kanina? Ito, x square less 1. Plus, x square less 1. Yan, sige. Ngayon, yung ito, mawawala yung 1 half dyan, di ba? Kung babalikan natin yung algebra natin, for example, a raised to 1 half multiplied by a raised to 1 half ay magiging a 1 half plus 1 half. So, magiging a 2 over 2 is equal to a. No? A raised to 1 or a na lang siya. So, matatanggal actually yung 1 half. Okay? So, ganun yung gagawin natin sa part na yan. Matatanggal din yung kanyang 1/2. So 2x magiging 2x plus 1 na lang siya plus x square less 1 divided by 2x plus 1 raised to 1/2. So magiging expand natin, off na wala yung 2x. Expand, magiging 4x square plus 2x plus x square less 1 over 2x plus 1 raised to 1/2. Okay? So, yan. And then, simplify. Y prime is equal to, combine like terms, yung 4x squared tapos yung x squared, pwede nating i-combine, no? Magiging 5x squared. Okay? Plus 2x less 1 all over 2x plus 1 raised to 1/2 or square root na to. Ayan. So, that is our final answer. Okay, yan. Okay, that is for example number 1. Next, example number 2. Paano naman si example number 2? Let's say for example, let f of x is equal to x squared plus 1 raised to x cubed less 3x. Okay? Find f prime first derivative of f of x. Okay? Now, balik tayo dun sa derivative of a product na ang derivative ng ub is equal to b u prime plus u b prime. Okay? We let u is equal to x squared plus 1 and then u prime is 2x plus 0. So magiging 2x na lang siya. So same din si b. Ang b natin ay x cubed less 3x. So b prime is power rule. So 3, 'di ba? Yung exponent ay bababa, magiging coefficient. Tapos x, mababawasan yung exponent natin ng 1, magiging 2 na lang siya and then less 3. Okay? Ayan. So, yan yung ating b prime or magiging 3x squared less 1. Ayan. Sige. Or kahit ganito na lang muna siya. I-simplify na lang natin mamaya. Ayan. Baka pwede pa natin i-simplify kasi yan mamaya. O yan. So, kompleto na. So, punta na tayo doon sa derivative. So, f prime of x is equal to v is x cubed less 3x. Si v tapos u prime. V and then u prime. Ano ba yung u prime natin? 2x ata yun kanina. Okay. Plus u. Ang u natin ay x squared plus 1. Tapos b prime natin is, ano ang b prime natin? 3x squared less 3. Ayan. Sige. So, subukan natin i-expand. Magiging, ito, multiply natin doon. Magiging 2x to the 4th less 6x squared. Okay. Plus, itong part na to, expand natin. Ito, multiply natin doon. Magiging 3x raised to 4. Tapos, sa kabila, ayan, magiging less 3x squared. And then 1. And then 1 times negative 3. Okay, so plus 3x squared less 3. Okay. Combine like terms or ilabas muna natin lahat. 2x raised to 4 plus 6x squared plus 3x raised to 4 less. Kasi ilalabas natin to negative times positive is negative. 3x squared and then 3x ups. Saglit. Tama ba to? 3x squared. O, tama. Cancel na pala dapat to, no? Ayan, mawawala na pala dapat yan. Tanggalin na natin to. Ang naiwan ay 3x4 tapos 3. Tama ba? Balikan nga natin. 3x raised to 4 tapos negative 3x square and then 3x square tapos 0. Tama. Okay, so combine like terms. Ito, tsaka yan, magiging 5x raised to 4 less 6x square minus 3. Okay? So, finalize. So, f prime of x is equal to 5x raised to 4 less 6x square minus 3. So, yan yung number 2. Okay? Next, example number 3. Ayan, para makadami tayo. Paano naman si example number 3? Let y is equal to x cubed and then 4 less x raised to 1/2. Okay? So, we let u is equal to x cubed. Then u prime is 3x square. Then ang b natin is 4 less x raised to 1/2. So, power formula, b prime is equal to yung exponent magiging coefficient ng 4 less x. And then yung exponent niya mababawasan ng 1. So, 1/2 less 2 over 2 multiplied by yung derivative nung nasa loob, negative 1. Okay? Kasi ang derivative ng, yung derivative ng 4 less x, okay, is equal to 0, diba? Less 1. Kaya negative 1 na lang yung nilagay natin. Okay? Sabi ko nga, balikan nyo lang yung power formula. So, simplify natin, magiging negative 1 over 2. Ito, negative 1/2 to, sa ibababa natin, magiging square root ng 4 less x. So, yan, kompleto na yung u prime tsaka b prime natin. Punta na ngayon tayo doon sa derivative ng product. So, derivative ng u, b equals b u prime plus u b prime. Yan. So, y prime, kasi ang derivative ng y is y prime, no? And then v, ang v natin ay 4 less x raised to 1/2. So, b, and then, ayan na si b, and then u prime. Ano yung u prime natin? Ang u prime natin ay 3x square. Okay? So, 3x square plus u. Ano yung u natin? Ang u natin ay x cube. Okay? And then, ang b prime natin ay ito. U, x cube to. Multiplied by b prime. Negative 1 over 2 square root of 4 less x. Ayan. Okay? So, simplify. Magiging 3x square tapos, square root pala to, no? Times square root ng 4 less x less x cube over 2 square root of 4 less x. Okay? Simplify natin. Common denominator, parang yung ginawa natin kanina. 2 and then square root of 4 less x. So, magiging, multiply lang natin ito dito. Diyan, magiging 3x square times 2. And then, mawawala yung exponent, diba? Ito, oh. Square root ng 4 less x times square root ng 4 less x is 4 less x. Less x cube. Okay. And then, simplify. So, y prime equals 6x square, then 4 less x cube all over 2 square root of 4 less x. Expand. So, magiging 6 times 4 is 24. So, x square less 6x cube less x cube. over 2 square root of 4 less x. So magiging 24 x square less 7x cube. Okay, over 2 square root ng 4 less x. Pwede ba bang i-simplify yan? Hindi na pwedeng i-simplify, no? So, y prime. Okay, so ito yung ating sagot for number 3. Ayan. Next, problem number 4. Sige. Problem 4 natin para makadami tayo. Find the derivative of y prime if y equals 3x square plus 2x less 2x lang multiplied by x minus 4. O, balik tayo doon. We let u equals 3x square plus 2x. U prime is a power formula 3 multiplied by ang derivative ng x square is 2x. Okay? Plus ang derivative ng 2x ay 2. Okay, simplify. 6x plus 2. Next, b is x less 4. O, b prime is 1 lang. Kasi ang derivative ng 0 ng 4 ay or derivative ng constant ay 0. Okay? So, balik tayo doon sa derivative ng ub. ub. Derivative ng ub is equal to b u prime plus ub prime. Okay? V. So, y prime equals v. Ano yung v natin? Ang v natin ay x less 4. Okay, and then ang u prime natin ay 6x less 2. 6x less 2 plus u. Ano ang u? Ito. So, 3x square plus 2x. And then ang b prime natin ay 1. Ayan. So, simplify. Okay. So, expand natin. X less 4 times 6x less 2. So, x multiply natin dito kay 6x. So, 6x square. Tapos, x multiply natin dun kay negative 2. So, negative 2x. And then, negative 4 times 6x. So, negative 24x. And then, negative 4 multiplied by negative 2 is 8. So, positive 8, no? Ayan. Next. Plus 1 multiplied by ito ay siya rin lang, no? So, plus 3x square plus 2x. Ayan. Okay, so combine like terms. X square tapos, ayan, meron siyang x square magiging 9x square. How about yung x? Ito, magkakancel na pala to, yung negative 2x tapos yung positive 2x natin. So, may iwan na lang ay si negative 24x tapos si 8. So, plus 8. Ayan. Sige. So, yan yung ating y prime. Okay? Ups 24. Saglit nga. Parang may mali dito. Check nga natin. Okay. Ito pala yung mali natin. 6x plus 2 dapat to, no? Ayan. So, 6x plus 2 ba yun? Tama. 6x plus 2. So, mangyayari 6x square plus 2x pala dapat to, no? Plus 2x. Okay. So, plus 2x tapos negative 24x plus less 8. So, plus 8 pala dapat to, no? Minus 8. Ayan. Okay. So, 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. Tapos, 20 na lang pala to, no? 20 na lang pala to. Okay. 20, and then dapat ito ay minus 8. Okay, so yan. Okay, so that is for problem number 4. Paano naman kapag madami? For example, number 5, y equals x less 1, tapos x plus 1, and then x plus 2 pala, x less 1, x plus 2, and then x square. So ang dami, no? Gawin nating u ito ay u equals x, okay, b equals x less 1, w, u, b, w, u, b, w. Bali, apat pala to, no? Palitan na lang natin. T na lang. T is equal to x, u is equal to x less 1, b is x plus 2, tapos w is x square. Okay? So kunin natin yung derivative. T prime equals 1, and then u prime equals 1 din lang, and then b prime equals 1 din lang, pare-parehas. W prime equals 2x. Okay? So derivative ng T u b w, okay, is equal to T prime u b w plus T u prime, di ba? Mag-ano lang yan, alternate lang sila na magkakaroon ng prime, plus T u b prime and then w plus T u b and then w prime. Okay, so ganon, no? Salitan lang sila. Sige. Ayan. So y prime is equal to t prime. Ang t prime natin ay 1. And then next, u, b, and then w. Okay, ang u natin ay x less 1. Tapos ang b natin ay x plus 2. Tapos ang w natin ay x squared. Okay? Plus, dito tayo. T. Ano ang t natin? X. Tapos ano ang u prime? Ang u prime natin ay 1. Okay? And then b, x plus 2. And then w, x squared. Next, dito tayo. So b prime naman yung b naman yung naka-prime, t. Ang t natin is x. Okay? And then ang u natin ay x less 1. And then b prime, okay? B prime, ano bang b prime natin? 1 din lang. Multiply it by w, x squared. Plus, okay, dito tayo. T u b w prime, ang t natin ay x. Ang u natin ay x less 1. And then ang b natin ay x plus 2. And then ang w prime natin ay 2x. Okay, sige. Ayusin lang natin. So magiging y prime equals, nako, Diyos ko. Kailangan expand, no? So, yan. X less 1. Expand muna natin itong dalawang to. Ayan, so magiging x cube plus 2x square. Okay, ito yung x square multiply natin doon. Tapos, multiply natin kay 2. Okay, plus. So, x, and then ito yung ano natin, i-expand natin. X cube plus 2x square plus x multiplied by, ito expand natin tong dalawang to. Ayan. So, x cube less x square plus, pagsamahin muna natin tong yung x tsaka yung 2x. So, magiging 2x square. Okay, tapos i-expand naman natin ito. So magiging x square less x, okay, plus 2x less 2. Ayan. Sige, tama ba? So, x square tapos 2x. Balik, iba yung ginawa ko. X square tapos ito. And then, sunod is negative x tapos, ano ang ginawa ko? 2x. 2x tapos negative 2. Okay, yan. So, simplify natin. Ito, expand ulit natin. Magiging x cube. Ayan, multiply natin ito doon. X cube. Tapos, x doon kay 2x square. So, plus 2x cube. O, 4 pala dapat to, no? Bakit naging cube to? 4 pala dapat to, no? Yan. So, x raised to 4. Okay? X raised to 4, tapos 2x cube, less x cube, less 2x square. Nako, ang haba. Sunod. Plus ito, magiging x raised to 4 plus 2x cube. Then, next, sunod ay ito, x raised to 4 less x cube. And then, plus, ito, 2x raised to 4 less 2x cube plus 4x cube less 2x, 4x. 4x square. Tama ba? So, 2x raised to 4 negative 2x cube tapos 4x cube and then last is negative 4x square. Ayan, sige. Ayusin natin. Okay, anong nangyari? Y prime equals, ang haba, no? X raised to 4 plus 2x cube less x cube. Kopyahin natin lahat. Plus x cube plus 2x square tapos plus x raised to 4 plus 2x cube tapos next is ito plus x raised to 4 less x cube plus 2 x raised to 4 less 2x cube plus 4x cube less 4x square. Okay. Combine like terms, ang haba. Okay. Lahat ng mayroong raised to 4. 1 plus 1, 2 na to. Plus 1, 3 na yon. Plus 2 is, so 5. X raised to 4. Next, lahat ng may cube. 2 plus 1 is 1 plus 2, 3. Okay. Less 2, 1 plus 4, 5. Okay, so 5 x raised to 4 square. Ang square natin ay negative 2 tapos wala na bang naka-square? Ayun, negative 4. So, negative 6 x square. Tama ba? Wala na bang iba? Wala nang x? Tama ba yan? Ulitin natin. I-count natin ulit. Lahat ng may 4. So, 1, plus 1, 2 na yon, plus 1, 3 na yon, plus 2, 5. Lahat ng may cube. 2 minus 1 is 1. Plus 2 is 3. Less 1 is 2. 2 plus 2, 0. Plus 4, 4 pala dapat to. Okay. And then 6. Okay, so that's all for derivative of a product. Okay, so thank you for listening.